India's ban on TikTok, the first of its kind in the world.
We have blocked 59 apps, and among those apps is TikTok.
भारत सरकार ने चीन के जिन ऐप्स को बैन किया है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा जो चर्चा हो रही है वो हो रही है टिकटॉक की। भारत में इस ऐप के लगभग
TikTok is coming back to India, and when you hear that, there are two questions which comes into your mind: when and how. Well, let's discuss about that in this video, so watch this video till the end carefully. Hey guys, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, so let's go. So yes, TikTok is coming back to India, and we all know TikTok was banned on 2020, and after its ban there has been a rise of many homegrown applications here in India like Moj, Josh, Chingari, etc and etc. Now there is an unofficial news which comes in which says that TikTok is in talks with one of the India's biggest builders to come back here in India. So you all know why TikTok and other Chinese applications were banned. So if you didn't know, well, basically these applications used to store data in Chinese servers located at China. So this was a problem for the Ministry of Information and Technology as to how they were using that data and how they were giving those data information to the government of China, which is technically not correct, because at that time India and China was facing some issues in the border which resulted in banning all these applications, especially TikTok. And when TikTok was banned, the content space here in India had a big void which these homegrown applications like Moj, Proposo, Josh is trying to fill in right now. And because of that, even apps like PUBG were banned operating here in India. But soon after some time, PUBG returned as BGMI by using Microsoft Azure service, which is a data center here in India, to store the data locally. So seeing this, many companies were ready to talk with the government of India on how they were interested in saving the users' data locally here at one of the data centers located in our country. So recently there has been a news coming in which suggests that TikTok is in talks with Hiranandani. Now Hiranandani is one of the biggest builders here in India, and not only that, they also own Yota NM1, which is one of the biggest data centers at Mumbai in India. Because of that, TikTok is interested to store their user data locally here using that Yota NM1 service. So recently, one of the government officials stated to Economic Times that there have been no formal talks with us yet, but we have been informed of the plans, which clearly means that TikTok has a plan of action to come back here in India, and that plan has already been communicated to the government, and after they have properly executed their plan, probably they'll approach the government of India to come back to India. So question number one, will TikTok be renamed? Well, if you ask in my opinion, I don't think so it will happen, because probably they might add a suffix like Bharat or TikTok India to just make it look like an home application. Apart from that, I don't think they will rename their application's name from TikTok to something else, because it can affect on how they come back here in India. This was a different case for PUBG, because there were people who seriously played PUBG, but for TikTok, I don't think changing their name will give them a good re-entry. So probably the name will be the same, but the thing that's going to change is on how they are going to store their data. Now the second thing, will users get their data back? Now this is very easy to answer, because yes, users will get their data back, and that is what exactly happened with PUBG. PUBG was also able to give all the users access to their old data which was there when PUBG was officially banned, and they were allowed to back up all these original data from PUBG or migrate this original data from PUBG to BGMI. And likewise, TikTok will also allow users to restore all the data, because they might have a copy of all the user data which was there existing when the app was banned. And the third question is, what will be the situation of the other competitor applications like Moj, Josh, Chingari, etc. Now people might think that TikTok's re-entry might affect all these competitor applications, and yes, it might affect to some extent. But what I think personally is that the short video content space will grow more and more when strong competitors like TikTok give a re-entry. So this is a good thing for all the content creators in the short video space. And yes, that is what is going to happen. The short video content platform will grow more and more, and the type of content will be very unique and dynamic across all these platforms, which is really great. So overall, what do you guys think about this situation which is currently happening right now? The news which came about TikTok's re-entry and their talks with Hiranandani to use their data server. Will TikTok's re-entry happen? And if it happens, when do you think TikTok will come back to India? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy watching my content, a like to this video would be great. And also share this video with all of your friends. And don't forget to subscribe, because most of you forget to subscribe to my channel. And it's very simple. Just click the red color subscribe button and make it gray. And also press the bell icon and click all, so that you get all the notifications whenever I post any new video on my channel. So this is me, Arnav, signing off on the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.